Hello everyone, I am Suneeta Naik from AITM Badkar. I am here to present a food delivery app in Webstack Development Internship in Webstack Academy, Bangalore. Contents are introduction, project overview, technologies used, and introduction to full stack web development and Webstack, and project screenshots and conclusion. Objectives of projects are it is used to create a user-friendly and efficient food delivery app implemented using React.js and MongoDB. It aims to provide customers with a seamless experience for ordering food from various restaurants, incorporating features like user registration, menu display, secure payments via Stripe, and email communication through Mailtrap. The project seeks to demonstrate proficiency in full stack web development, particularly within the MERN stack, and deliver a functional and intuitive application for users. Next is project overview. Food delivery app, an online platform for ordering food from various restaurants. Features are user registration, restaurant selection, menu display, ordering, secure payments, and email communication. Implemented using React.js, MongoDB, Stripe, and Mailtrap. Next, technologies used. For front-end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js are used. For back-end, JavaScript and databases, MongoDB. Development tools are Visual Studio Code for code editor, MongoDB Compass for database management tool. Next is about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It uses tags to structure and present web content. HTML5 introduces semantic elements like header, nav, and footer for better page structure and SEO. HTML supports multimedia elements like image, audio, and video for richer content. Hyperlinks, anchor tags are used to connect web pages and create navigation. HTML forms allow user input and data submission using elements like form, input, and button. Attributes customize element behavior and appearance. Example, class, ID, and style. HTML5 is the latest version with multimedia support. Here basic HTML syntax. Document type HTML tells the version of HTML. HTML is root element and head is used to contain page HTML metadata. In head, title is used page title of HTML page. Next, body hold content of HTML. H2 is HTML heading tag and P is HTML paragraph tag. Next, about CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is used for styling and formatting HTML elements. CSS uses selectors to target HTML elements and properties to define their appearance. Selectors can target elements by class ID or element type. Elements are visualized as boxes with content, padding, borders, and margins controlled by CSS properties. CSS offers control over element placement, display, and positioning on web pages. CSS can be applied internally, inline, or externally in separate files. Media queries adapt styles based on the device's characteristics, ensuring compatibility with different screen sizes. Next, basic CSS syntax. H1 is selector, properties are color, and yellow is the value here. There are three modes of applying CSS to HTML elements. They are inline CSS, embedded CSS, and external CSS. Inline CSS is the technique to define the single element with the insert style sheets in an HTML document. Here example is h2 style is a color red and margin left 40 px. Next, embedded CSS. An embedded style sheet is declared within the head element of an XHTML document. It applies to the whole document rather than just one element. Then external CSS is a form of CSS which is used to add styling to multiple HTML pages at a time. Next front-end tool is JavaScript JS. JavaScript is a versatile, high-level programming language used for web development. JavaScript is primarily a client-side scripting language, meaning it runs in the user's web browser to enhance interactivity and functionality. JavaScript operates on an event-driven model, allowing it to respond to user actions like clicks and input. JavaScript supports various data types including numbers, strings, arrays, and objects and allows developers to declare variables. And it provides control structures like conditionals, if-else, loop, for while, and functions for structuring code. JavaScript has a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue.js for building web applications efficiently. 3 ways to apply JS code to web pages are inline JS, embedded JS, and external JS. The inline JS is the inline JavaScript filter reduces the number of requests made by a web page by inserting the contents of small external JavaScript resources directly into the HTML document. Embedded JavaScript is a programming language that is used to create interactive web applications. And external JavaScript is when the JavaScript code is written in another file having an extension .js, and then we link this file inside the head or body tag or of our HTML file in which the code is to be added. Next tool is React.js. React.js, commonly known as React, is an open source JavaScript library for building user interfaces. React follows a component-based architecture, allowing developers to create reusable UI components. React follows a component-based architecture, allowing developers to create reusable UI components. React uses a virtual DOM to optimize and efficiently update the actual DOM, improving performance. React follows a unidirectional data flow where data is passed down from parent components to child components via props. React Router is a library that simplifies client-side routing in single-page applications, helping manage different views. Here is the example for basic React.js. Here we import React from React and browser's router as router, route link from React Router DOM, and home from home and about from about. Function app contains return, router, link to home, and etc. And it export default app. Next database is MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database known for its flexibility. It doesn't demand a fixed data structure, making it great for handling various and rapidly changing data. Unlike traditional databases, MongoDB is built for scalability and speed, making it a top pick for modern apps dealing with large dynamic data. Next, other services like Stripe and Mailtrap. Stripe provides a testing environment that allows you to simulate payments in your application without actually processing real financial transactions. Next, Mailtrap. Mailtrap is a dedicated platform designed for testing and verifying email functionality within software applications. It offers a controlled environment where developers can simulate email interactions and inspect email content without sending messages to real recipients. There are two development tools, Visual Studio Code and MongoDB Compass. Visual Studio Code, often referred to as a VS Code, is a lightweight open source code editor developed by Microsoft. It is highly customizable and designed for efficient coding and debugging. VS Code supports a wide range of programming languages and offers extensions for additional functionality, making it a popular choice among developers for writing and editing code. MongoDB Compass simplifies the MongoDB database experience with its user-friendly GUI in contrast to traditional relational databases that rely on complex SQL queries and command line interactions. MongoDB Compass provides an intuitive visual approach for tasks like data exploration and management. In MongoDB, data is stored in collection. Next is introduction to full stack web development and Munstack. Full stack developers are experts in every aspect of software development in their field. Munstack is only application to web development. Munstack developers are well versed in all facets of JavaScript and backend development frameworks. Productivity, full stack development is more productive. A full stack web developer is a person who can develop both client and server software. In addition to mastering HTML and CSS, he or she also knows how to program a browser. Example, using JavaScript, jQuery, and Angular or Vue. And then Munstack developers are primarily in charge of developing and designing front-end web architecture and building interactive consumers data from multiple systems. Next, project screenshots. First one is home page of the project, and second screenshots are the login pages, and this page contains add to cart options and order summary. And next, this page contains hotel names and food. Customers search the food in search bar and order the food. After ordering food, it shows this page, your order has been placed successfully. This project and all I am explained in demo session. This is the code for food delivery app. Here we can see that all the folders of this project, we have to create two main folders. It consists front end and back end code. We can see on the screen it is in the systematic way. In the backend folder, all the backend related folders are there. It fetches data to front end by some APIs. In front end folder, front end related folders are there. You can see the public folder here. Component folder, in their cart, CSS, layout, etc. are there. Here we have all the folders in systematic way. Here we have app.js, and in user folder we have count, restaurant.js, food items.js, home.js, menu.js, and message.js and restaurant.js files are there. And in constants, it consists cart constants.js and menu constant.js and etc. These folders are in the front end folders. After running this project, we get home page. Home page consists restaurant names and the details and profile of the user and logo, etc. Here we can see the hotel names in the home page, and below that we can see the uh, creation of year of creation of food delivery app, and top of the home page we can see the search bar. In search bar we can search the food. For example, clicking pizza, it shows the restaurant which consists pizza at that time, and it shows the number of restaurant. Here we can order. By clicking clear, we can clear the searched food. And in the top of home page, in the left side we can see the logo, and in the right side cart and login page. We can refresh the page by clicking that logo for, and when we click the pure veg, it shows only veg hotels, and we can order. And then after pure veg, it shows the sort by reviews and sort by ratings. It shows the reviews and ratings of the all hotels. Sort by ratings, it shows the reviews and ratings of the all hotels. Here we can see the login page. We can log in by clicking login page. We have to enter email and password, then it logged in. This is the profile. We can log out by clicking logout option in profile. Then login page consists forgot password and new users. New users can register easily by filling name, email and password. In the login page, it consists forgot password. Here we can change the password by clicking forgot password. Then it shows forgot password. Here we can enter the email and then send email, and we get a new password option. We have to type the new password and we have to confirm that password and then login. It shows the password updated successfully, and then we can log in. Here we can see the profile, and by clicking profile it shows the options orders, profile and logout options. By clicking profile option, we can see our profile. It shows full names and email address and joiner date. Here we can see the edit option. In that we can edit our profile by clicking edit option. It shows update profile. There we can change the name, email and photos by clicking update option. For ordering food, we have to click cart option. There it shows the food price and add to cart option. Here we can see all the food and their price. For example, mushroom rice, BBQ chicken, peri peri chicken, paneer tikka masala, etc. And we can see the food status, whether it will be available or not in that time. By clicking add to cart, it shows items added successfully. We can change the quantity by clicking add to cart. It shows items added to cart, and it shows the number of cart we added after clicking cart option in right side. It shows your cart. It consists order summary. In order summary, it shows the units and total price. In that we can increase or decrease the quantity of order, and we can delete the cart by clicking delete option, and it varies in price and units. For example, we added 2 items, BBQ chicken and paneer tikka butter masala. Here we can delete the second one. Signature BBQ chicken price is 309. After adding more quantities, it shows the total price 927. Then click checkout button. It shows the delivery address in first step. We have to fill the address and we have to continue to second step. There it shows confirm order. In that it shows delivery info, name, phone number and address of the customer are included, and we can see the order details. In order summary, it shows the total price and delivery charges and tax. Next we have to click proceed to pay option. Here we can see card info. In that we have to enter card number and card expiry and card CVC for payment. Then click proceed to pay. It shows transaction of payment. After it taking some time, here we can see the tick mark. It shows the display and it shows your order has been placed successfully. Then we get a message. If you want to see the details of the order, you can click go to orders. Here we can see the history and all the orders placed till now. We can see the status of food. Then click the action button. It shows the order info. This is our internship project food delivery app. Myself Suneeta Naik. Thank you Webstack Academy for giving me this internship opportunity in your company.